Stiebel Eltron Tankless water heaters include a critical safety feature called a safety thermal cutout, also known as a high limit switch. This safety mechanism automatically cuts off power to prevent dangerous overheating, typically activating when the temperature reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. When this safety feature is triggered, the reset button is what restores power to your unit. The location of this reset button varies depending on your specific Stiebel Eltron model. For Tempra and Tempra Plus models, the thermal safety reset buttons are located at the top of each copper heating vessel. You'll need to remove the front cover of the unit to access these reset buttons. DHC models have their reset buttons positioned along the top right side of the heating vessel. These are typically easier to access once you remove the front panel. Mini models feature a distinctive round, flat, black reset button located between the wiring block and the water connection pipe. This button is typically more visible once you remove the unit's cover. Before attempting to locate or access any reset button, always remember this critical safety step. Turn off power to the unit at the circuit breaker. Never work on electrical components while the unit is powered on. First, turn off and lock out all circuit breakers connected to your tankless water heater. This is critical for your safety. Next, remove the front cover of your water heater to access the reset button. The reset button is typically located at the top of the copper heating vessel. Use an insulated tool or the eraser end of a pencil to press the reset button. Never use your bare fingers or metal tools for safety reasons. After successfully resetting the button, close the front cover and reinsert any screws. Then unlock and turn on all circuit breakers to restore power to the unit. If the unit continues to trip the reset button repeatedly, this indicates a more serious problem, such as a failing heating element. In this case, contact a licensed professional for diagnosis and repair.